Welcome to Short Daily Dialogue.
Look at this photo. Do you recognize me?
Yes, that's you as a little boy.
Do I look funny here?
You look very cute.
I had such big cheeks then.
Yes, you looked like a doll.
Do you think I changed a lot?
A little, but your smile is the same.
I love that you noticed.
I always notice.
Do you see this toy in my hand?
Yes, it's a red car.
That was my favorite toy.
Did you play with it every day?
Yes, I carried it everywhere.
That's adorable.
Do you like this picture of me at the park?
Yes, you look happy running.
I always loved the playground.
Which game did you like most?
I liked the swings the best.
I like swings too.
Do you see my first school photo?
Yes, you look so serious.
I was nervous on picture day.
Your hair looks neat.
Do you like the blue shirt I wore?
Yes, it suits you well.
My mom chose it for me.
She has good taste.
Do you want to see my birthday photo?
Yes, show me.
Here it is, with a cake.
Wow, so many candles.
I was turning 7 there.
You look excited.
Do you like the decorations?
Yes, the balloons look fun.
I remember popping one.
Did it scare you?
Yes, it made me jump.
That's so funny.
Do you see me with my dog?
Yes, he looks friendly.
His name was Max.
What a sweet name.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I love them.
I played with him every afternoon.
That must be a happy memory.
Do you want to see my school play photo?
Yes, please.
Here I am dressed as a tree.
That's adorable.
Do you think I look silly?
No, you look charming.
I felt shy on stage.
But you did well, I can tell.
Do you like seeing these photos?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
It makes me smile too.
It makes me feel warm.
Do you want to see my first bike?
Yes, show me.
This is me riding it.
You look proud.
I fell many times before.
But you learned.
Do you like the little helmet?
Yes, it's cute.
My dad taught me to ride.
That's a nice memory.
Do you see my family here?
Yes, they look kind of.
We were at the beach.
You look joyful.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the sea.
I built sandcastles there.
Did you win prizes?
Yes, once in a contest.
That's amazing.
Do you want to see my holiday photo?
Yes, show me more.
Here we are with a Christmas tree.
It looks so bright.
I loved the lights.
They shine beautifully.
Do you see me holding a present?
Yes, you look excited.
It was a toy train.
That's a great gift.
Do you like toy trains?
Yes, they're fun.
I still keep it on a shelf.
That's precious.
Do you want to see my first drawing?
Yes, I do.
Here it is. Very simple.
It's sweet.
Do you think I was creative?
Yes, you were.
I loved drawing houses.
That's a classic start.
Do you like looking at my old haircut?
Yes, it's funny.
I had messy hair always.
It looks charming now.
Do you see me with my friends?
Yes, a group of happy kids.
We played soccer together.
You look energetic.
Do you like soccer?
Yes, I play sometimes.
I was always the goalkeeper.
That's an important role.
Do you want to see my festival photo?
Yes, I'd love to.
Here I am in a costume.
Wow, so colorful.
Do you think I looked brave?
Yes, like a hero.
I liked wearing that mask.
It looks cool.
Do you see me holding a kite?
Yes, on a windy day.
I loved flying kites.
It looks joyful.
Do you like kites too?
Yes, they're beautiful.
I still enjoy flying one sometimes.
That's wonderful.
Do you want to see my library photo?
Yes, show me.
Here I am with a big book.
So studious.
I liked reading even then.
That's impressive.
Do you think I was a bookworm?
Yes, in a good way.
I'm glad you think so.
Of course.
Do you want to see the last photo?
Yes, please.
Here I am, smiling with ice cream.
So cute.
It was my favorite treat.
It still is, right?
Yes, I still love it.
That's sweet.
Do you enjoy sharing these photos?
Yes, it makes me happy.
I feel closer to you now.
I feel the same.
Should we make an album together?
Yes, that would be lovely.
Then we'll keep our memories safe.
Yes, forever.